Hello, I'm Adrian. Today, we take you on a journey through history to the beautiful city of Sheffield in the year 1800. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating historical videos. Its streets were modest, yet filled with the sounds of daily work and trade. Metalworking was already shaping the identity of the town. Water power played a crucial role in early industry. Transport relied heavily on horses and manual labor. Local markets connected people with essential goods. Most families lived close to their place of work. Furnaces began to define the future of the town. Skilled hands produced tools known for their quality. Beyond the town, vast green fields supported local agriculture, where farmers relied on simple tools and hard work to feed the growing population. Each day,
Giddy up, lads!
traveled
To
into
market we
Sheffield,
go!
bringing fresh goods
Welcome,
to the markets
farmers!
that
Bring your
sustained
carts through!
both rural and urban communities.
Whoa there, steady now.
Markets formed the heart of daily life, where trade, conversation,
Fresh
and
turnips and
community
cabbages.
came together
Best in
a
Sheffield.
shared space.
Finest forged tools. Hammers, tongs, hooks.
Education remained simple, yet vital, as children learned the basic skills needed for life and work in a changing society. The church served as a center of community life, bringing people together in times of both celebration and hardship. Medical care was limited, with doctors relying on basic knowledge and simple instruments to treat illness and injury. Access to clean water required daily effort, as residents gathered supplies from wells and shared sources. Home life was modest, centered around family, simple meals, and the routines of everyday survival. Clothing was carefully handmade, reflecting both necessity and the limited resources of the time. Bakeries provided essential food, with bread prepared daily using traditional methods passed through generations. Within the town, transport remained slow, relying on horses and human effort to move goods and materials. Small workshops produced a variety of goods, combining different crafts that supported the local economy. Coal was essential, fueling homes and industry, though its extraction demanded difficult and exhausting labor. Even in a working town, children found moments of play and joy in simple surroundings. Night brought silence, with only faint movement across the darkened town. Though still small, Sheffield stood on the brink of transformation into one of Britain's most important industrial cities.